If you're considering a medical marijuana recommendation in Oklahoma, the first step is a clinical evaluation with a licensed doctor. My MMJ Doctor provides a secure, HIPAA-compliant online platform so you can move forward with clarity. Head over to mymmjdoctor.com and select Oklahoma as your state. Once you proceed further, enter your name, email address, and phone number. Next, choose your visit type and pick a date and time that works best for you. Click Confirm to receive an appointment summary immediately. After that, enter your payment details to book an appointment. Then verify your identity by providing your ID number and a photo ID. Once that is done, enter your personal details, such as your address, date of birth, height, and weight. Then, provide details about the condition you're seeking relief for, such as anxiety, chronic pain, arthritis, insomnia, or other qualifying concerns. It helps our licensed doctors get a clearer picture of your needs. A pop-up then appears to confirm your health record. Give it a quick digital signature to finalize your information. Once your form is submitted, we'll schedule a quick video consultation with an Oklahoma licensed doctor. Most consultations are brief, during which the doctor discusses your condition to determine your eligibility. If clinically approved, the doctor will provide a signed recommendation form, which is required to complete your Oklahoma Medical Marijuana Authority application. Once they confirm your patient license, you may legally purchase medical marijuana from licensed dispensaries in Oklahoma. So, start your journey towards meaningful relief with mymmjdoctor.com, all from the comfort of your home, and let natural healing become a part of your everyday life.